So this is my 2025 class website. On this website you can find many things about me and teaching. This is a little slideshow about finding images on slideshow, editing images, websites that you can edit, Google search, biography. I'm currently pursuing a career in coaching, combining my love for soccer with my passion for helping others. Soccer has always been a significant part of my life, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with players looking to get better. Coaching allows me to inspire athletes as they develop their skills, teamwork, and confidence. My experience includes working at numerous soccer camps where I've had the opportunity to coach, also participating in many soccer camps as a player. I understand the challenges and excitement that athletes face. These experiences have made me a better athlete and coach. When I'm not coaching, I enjoy spending time with my family, friends, being outdoors, and I love good food. Digital resources. This is my Wakelet. It's mostly about soccer. You have a big view of a stadium and the fans in the stadium and some news outlets that are updated every day. Podcasting. So this is a little doc of a podcast that I watched called Overthrowing Education by Bashiva Frankel. It's the title, The Tragic Death of Critical Thinking. It's very good. Websites. We must evaluate websites because anyone can create a website, so everything you see may not be true. And this is an infographic: content quality, usability, visual design, engagement, security, and reflection. IST standard for educators. My professional growth goal focuses on enhancing my understanding and application of digital citizenship principles, aligning with the IST citizen standard. By the end of the school year, I will develop and implement a comprehensive digital citizenship program for my students covering topics like online privacy, cyberbullying, and digital footprint management. IST infographic for educators: learner, leader, citizen, collaborator, facilitator, designer, and analyst. Mobile apps. One good thing about educational apps is that kids can learn anytime and anywhere, but a problem is that too many fun features can distract from learning. This is a slideshow on the NASA mobile app. Overview of the app allows you to look at NASA's new developments and discoveries, the basics, classroom use, how you can use it in the classroom, common sense media, how they rate it, and a tutorial on how to use the app. Digital story. This is a video that I made. Here's a script. It took me a while, so give it some love. It's really good too. And PLN, PLE. My reflections are right here. And just all the things that I am with. Here is my Apple Teacher certification showing I am Apple Teacher certified. If it'll pop up. Well, it's here. And my screencast will be this video that I'm making right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. That is my 2025 class website. Thank you for watching.